Hi, I would love to do an unboxing of this beautiful oracle deck called the Golden Future Oracle by Diana Cooper. The artwork is by Space Before. I'd like to unbox this deck and do a complete flip through. It is a 44 card deck with a guidebook. And the back of the box says this: we are moving towards a new golden age, a time of peace, harmony, and abundance, when everyone cooperates for the highest good. The Golden Future Oracle offers guidance to help you negotiate our current turbulent times, as well as preparing you for the cosmic energies that will shift the planet to a higher frequency. I I love this message. As a Reiki master, I firmly believe that this is true. I believe that the energies are shifting, and this oracle is just so exciting to me. I can't wait to look at it with you, and I can't wait to do readings, and I will do a review in the future as well. But I want to unbox this with you now. I've been waiting so long. I've been waiting months to unbox this deck, so I cannot wait to open it with you. Oh, and the just the cover is just so amazing. I'll open this up. Oh, yay! And it says inside the box, "Great beings of light, please guide my ways so that my golden future starts today." I just love it. Yay! And here is the beautiful guidebook. It's very nice. It looks wow. It and I'm going to look at all this wonderful guidebook and tell you a lot more about it when I do a review. But I just want to have a look, see, just a little flip through. There are some there seems to be a lot of guidance in here. There's some spreads, which is great, but I'll have a look and I will review this deck in the very near future. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, I'll show you the amazing cover. I'm shaking. I can feel the energy coming off of these cards. Wow. Okay, so here we go. The first card, card number 1, the population. Seize your opportunities. The second card, community life. Embrace fifth dimensional society. Card number 3, the new children. Be all you can be. These images are absolutely stunning. The fourth card, family relationships. Attune heart to heart. I mean, the language is just, it just speaks to me so much. It's so awesome. The fifth card, education. Expand your right brain creativity. I love it. The sixth card, leisure and sport. Participate and have fun. The seventh card, creativity. Express your soul energy. I mean, these images are absolutely amazing. The eighth card, music. Bring yourself into divine harmony. I just love the images. Card 9, homes. Live in an ecological, creative, and fun space. 10, food. Choose locally grown organic product. So wonderful. 11, communal markets. Trust that all you need will come to you. So true. 12, clothing. Let your outer express your inner. 13, work satisfaction. Seek that which fulfills your soul. Just such dreamy images. 14, health and healing. Tune into your divine blueprint. Wow. 15, travel. Find ecological ways to explore the world. 16, psychic gifts. Learn to trust your intuition. So true. So true, especially now. 17, teleportation and levitation. Expand your gifts and powers. Love it. 18, manifestation and mind control. Focus your thoughts. 19, sexuality. Express pure love. Beautiful. 20, robots. Set yourself free with wisdom. 21, the economy. Trust your needs will be met. 22, the law. Act with common sense and responsibility. And such symbolic images. 23, nature. Tune in to the natural world. And again, the cover is just so beautiful. So I'm looking at this, and it's just as gorgeous as the actual image of the card. 24, our beautiful planet. Restore the natural world. I mean, these images are so amazing. 25, animals. Honor the animal kingdom. 26, the waters of the planet. Bless the rain, rivers, and oceans. So important. 27, the 12 chakras. Follow your ascension path. 28, angels. Ask the angels. 29, dragons. Send dragons to heal the world. 30, unicorns. Spread the light of unicorns. 31, illuminated masters. Be a spreader of love. Yes. 32, leadership and decisions. Make choices for the highest good of all. 33, blueprint for 5D humanity. Remember your gifts and powers. Yes. Such a beautiful image. 34, jump shift your life. Tune into crystals. Oh, yes. 35, planetary cleansing. Keep your space pure and clear. such good advice. And the images, again, are just gorgeous. 36, golden stellar internet. Communicate in a fifth dimensional way. 37, intergalactic travel. Regard the stars with wonder. 38, free energy. Be a powerhouse. Love it. 39, crystalline light body. Build your crystalline Merkaba. 40, the golden cities. Live ecologically and harmoniously. Yes. The super love portal. Accept yourself as a cosmic being. Yes, so true. 42, world peace and cooperation. Choose harmlessness and teamwork. Ah, my dream come true. Spiritual technology. So wonderful. Expand your imagination and share your visions. 44, group consciousness. Embrace oneness. As we know, we are all one. What a beautiful deck. What amazing messages. And as usual, all these Hay House decks, the publisher is Hay House, and all these decks are just so beautiful. The feel is very, very nice. The deck itself is very comfortable to hold. The weight is very nice. The cards themselves are well weighted. They have a nice glide. I cannot wait to do an actual reading with these cards. I would like to just draw one at this time just to see what comes up for us as as just exploring this deck for the very, very first time. I would like to just ask our guides if they could just have a card come up for us just to show us how wonderful the guidance of this deck really is. So I'm just going to read out loud what it says right in this box here as a mantra. Great beings of light, please guide my way so that my golden future starts today. Let us be guided at this time and provide us with a nice card. Our beings of light, our cosmic beings, thank you so much for the wonderful card that you're going to show us. Thank you. There it is. And it is food. Choose locally grown organic produce. It's so wonderful because I am actually thinking about gardening, so it's funny that I am bringing up this card. Let's go see the guidance about this particular card. Card number 10. This card reminds you to watch what you eat. Choose light organic food wherever you can to build your crystalline light body, your new form for the golden age. Even if you only have room for a few pots, grow some herbs or fruit and vegetables and tend them lovingly. Tune into the green world. Remember, the more you cultivate plants, the more they will respond to you. Your guidance is to engage with them and watch their progress. Fairies and elementals are all also waiting for us to cooperate with them for the benefit of nature and humanity. Talk to them, especially the fairies, pixies, elves, and nature spirits. They can hear you and will assist you and ensure your soil is rich and your harvest abundant and nutritious. Many of nature's invisible helpers are beautiful fifth dimensional beings who are just waiting for you to connect with them. There's also guidance about food as well. So there's a little message about food, and it says by 2032, most of the population will be vegetarian. Yay! Although some people will eat fish. Overall, fifth dimensional humans will need much lighter food to sustain them and to keep their frequency high. All fruit and vegetables will be grown organically, naturally, and locally. They will be produced in enormous tunnels made of biodegradable plant materials with thermal and other currently inconceivable attributes. All knowledge will be generously pooled, so super advanced hydroponics and other food production technology will advance quickly. This also means fresh produce will be available everywhere all year round. Gardeners will talk to plants, some of us already do, play music to them, and program crystals to help them grow healthy. They will communicate with the elementals who look after the natural world, and these will tell them exactly what the plants need. The elementals will also persuade beneficial insects to help. The results will be an abundance of nutritious food. In the golden future, food will be free, plentiful, organically grown, and super nutritious. Ah, I love this message of positivity, of hope. It just resonates so much with me. I hope it does with you as well. And I cannot wait to do a full review of this deck. I cannot wait to do readings for my clients. And I hope that you have just a wonderful day and a wonderful time exploring this deck. And I wish you absolute abundance. Namaste.